Hello everyone. So welcome to Next.js crash course. So it will be like 2 to 3 hour max to max. So it will be divided into multiple sub parts or videos for every particular topic. I will be like making different videos. So we will be learning Next.js. So before learning Next.js, you should have prerequisite knowledge of React, because we will not covering so much deep like components, hooks. So you should have knowledge about that. So before starting Next.js, first maybe like in your mind also like it is coming, why Next.js? So Next.js is a React framework. Like it's like if we use React, so same components, everything will be used in Next.js only. So it have an additional features to React, and also optimization features included in Next.js. So we will be like looking after all this. And now let's move to the Next.js official document. So everything, like every particular topic, we will be learning from Next.js official document only. Like we will be not referring to anyone else notes. So we will be like referring only and only Next.js official doc. So you can see like its main features, like what are the main features it's have. So you can see a file-based system, router built on top of server components. That's mean you don't have to make that so much complicated routings, then browser router, wrap your application browser router, then like giving the path and the elements with to be route that it should be coming according to the routes paths. So it's already it's a file base. That's mean if you want a contact page, so you just have to name a folder name as contact, and inside that folder you have to make one page.tsx if you're using TypeScript, and JSX if you are using JavaScript. So if you want to visit that, then you have to just visit that page /contact us, and it will be like visible to you or your browser. So that was the thing. And also it supposed two sides, like two type of rendering, like client side rendering also, and server side rendering also. So you can see like with client and server side further optimized with static and dynamic rendering on the server with Net.js. That's mean like if you have any data to be fetched, so it does in the server side only, and then it give whole component with data to your browser. Then we like this all topic we will be like covering one by one, and these all will be like making one application. Then we will be like figuring out like one topic, then the use of that particular topic in the application. Like we will not going through only theoretical part. You will be implementing this all this, like we will be making something like ticket like application where we can make and add a ticket, then see the detail of the tickets. So moving on, now it's seeing it also giving styling features additional, like it have including CSS module, which already it have in React.js. Then it have Tailwind CS. So that's mean you don't have to configure and have headache and like seeing the documentation, then configure your application for Tailwind. It's already pre-built. Then it had CSS in JS. Then optimization features like image it's have, and something we will be seeing like loading thing optimizations, then fonts and scripts. And also it supports TypeScript. That's mean you don't have to again configure that. You have to select the template if you want TypeScript or you don't want. So these are the things. And as we know, like it have two things like app router and page router both. Like page router was previous, but now the new features is app router, and we will be learning app router based system only. So as we at the starting only we have like said like it you should have a knowledge of prerequisite knowledge of React. If not, then I request you to just go through React uh, basic things like components, then hooks. So you will be get a better idea, and you can learn Next.js. Now before moving to the next lesson, we will be like just going through like what things should be there in your system. So first thing, the installation of Node.js, and also like make sure like it should be 18.17 or later only, because lower version of like 16 or 17 it will not support your Next.js. So make sure you have your system ready with 18.17, so that we both we all can work upon Next.js. Then same like React application, we have like npx create React app. Here we have create next app, and then same command is here. Then after when you run this command, it will be asking like your project name. Then you can give your project name. Then if you press enter, then it will ask like you want to use TypeScript or not. Like if you choose yes, then it will configure your application in TypeScript basis. Then would you like use ESLint features or not? Then if you want, like it already before compilation, it gives you some error like logical and which should not be there, it will give you that. Then so it is recommended like you can use this. Then Tailwind CSS is there. Then see now here you can see like if you want to use Tailwind CSS, you don't have to worry about that configuration. You just select yes, then it will configure your whole application in Tailwind. Then you want to use src directory or not? That's mean like if you have some you have used like app.js, so it have src doc. So if you want that, then you can go for that, but it's not recommended. You can use app based only, like it will have only app component, it will not have any src directory. If you want, then you can select yes, then it will go inside src. So we will be covering all these things again. So would you use app router? Yes, it's recommended because we will be following app router only. Then would you like to customize the default import? Then it should be no. Then that's all. Now you have a next application ready to work upon. So I think that's much for today. So we will be looking after the next application and more about what exactly Next.js is there, and components and the server side rendering and all those loading component and dynamic component. We will be figuring out all those. So for today, thank you. Meet you again in the next lesson.